Today's new delivery is an HME side mount pumper on its way to Monitor Township in Bay County, Michigan. Monitor is a charter township of Bay County and is located just west of Bay City, Michigan. It has a population of over 11,000. The fire department was established in 1949. Built on a custom HME Ahrens-Fox Spectr Chassis, the cab features a 100-inch wide cab with a mid 12-inch raised roof and positions for a crew of 6. The stainless steel pump panel houses precision control of the 1,250 gallon per minute side mount pump. The corrosion-resistant stainless body features modular aircraft construction for easy maintenance and repairs. Roll-up doors provide quick access to shelving, pull-out trays, and tool boards. Congratulations to the Monitor Township Fire Department, Chief John Kramer and crew on their new HME Ahrens-Fox pumper. For more information, visit firetrucks.com. For HME Ahrens-Fox, I'm Rich Fleeman.